What's up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a little bit something different today. We are here in Dallas, Texas. My car just got here, and it'll be the last time that you see this car like this. Next time you see it, it's going to look entirely different. That's right, today starts my anti-general lee project. So we're gonna get the roof wrapped with a flag. That ought to be interesting. And then the door and the name up over the top. So yeah, we're getting this ready for the big showdown. Stay tuned. It should definitely be interesting. And guys, people are asking, like, who is it that's doing the wrap? So we're out here at a place called Graphic Center Vehicle Wraps in Mesquite, Texas. So those are the folks that are going to take the green monster in today and get this thing done. So we're leaving. The car is now at Graphic Center, and I don't think I've ever used valet mode in my life, but I had to do it because, you know, I was super spooked about leaving my car anywhere, and now it's there. And yeah, everyone's laughing at me. So we just left Custom Tees. Had to get a couple t-shirts made. Oh, and shout out to Toro for the rent-a-car. All right, guys, we are here. Car is up front, and it looks like it is done. I can't wait to take a look at this damn thing and show y'all what it looks like. All right, guys, so the green monster has gone through a slight transformation. You see we got the 01 on the doors in the same color and whatnot as up here. And, you know, we got the name. You know, you got to put the driver on the car, man. And we got the flag up top. Not that failure flag. We don't put losing teams on my stuff. I'm sorry. You got the MickMandingo over on this side. Now there is a couple little bubbles and stuff in the vinyl, but they said that stuff will come out. We will see. But overall, it looks good. And this is the people that did it out here in Dallas, and they got it done in the same day. So gotta respect that. Oh man, good morning. So it's the next day. I really didn't get to give you guys like a proper walk around to the car. I got some bugs on my windshield and stuff, but I know you guys are gonna want to know, like, what does it look like? You know, what exactly, you know, was the wrap good? You know, is it textured or just regular vinyl or what? So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that here in just a minute. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up some merch. So I have it for the track. I got some t-shirts and all that good stuff, mainly for me, but I got some for other people in case they want it as well. So we're gonna head that way now. Yeah, man, RIP DMX. You see the city of Dallas right there looking all beautiful and whatnot. We're going to bounce here off of this exit and hit 30. I think we're going to a part of Texas called Carrollton. That's where we're going to go pick up our merch and our t-shirts. So, but anywho's, I just wanted to let you guys see, you know, the sun is just coming up for y'all to be saying I don't put the work in or I don't move. I'm moving this morning. I'm keeping it moving this morning. I got things to do. Yeah, we don't care. We don't care. We're rolling. We're rolling. So we're gonna go ahead and get over here, get our merch and whatnot, and then I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around to the new car, because it's totally different. All right, now keep in mind she needs a bath, and I got to get the bugs off the front of the car. Okay, we came up here to get this merch, which I'm gonna show you the merch here, the t-shirts here in a minute. But nothing really changed heavily on the front. We come to the door, got that iconic 01 on the door. We got the name up top, and we got the flag up top. Now the only thing that's aggravating me really heavy are the couple of bubbles I got. And anybody that knows how to get these out without destroying the wrap, yeah, I know that everyone's been telling me to like keep squeegeeing down, but it won't go any further than that. I mean, I'm stuck with it. So let me know what you guys recommend. It's only like this one here, that there, and that up there, but I can't really blame it on the spot. You know, they kind of rushed this one out for me, so it is what it is. But I appreciate them getting it in. Anywho's, there it is. This is the wrap, and it will be on the track today. So let me know what you guys think about how she looks and the new look here in a minute. And we got the green TK's Garage merch on. Got the green Nikes on. Y'all know what it is. Had to look appropriately. Anywho's, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You know, if you think the new flag and the stickers and the decals and stuff on the car really makes it pop. They're not gonna let me put the powered by your mom on my rear quarters and run at the track. So we will put those on probably when we get home. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, short video for y'all today, just so y'all could get a little idea of some stuff that was going on. Lots of meetups and stuff with different people today, so much content coming. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Gosh, it's a beast. Anywho's, I'll catch you guys on the next one.